tapestry of life, we often find ourselves caught up in the threads of desire, reaching out for something more. There's an ancient wisdom that whispers in the shadows, a force guiding the universe known as the law of attraction. Today, let's embark on a journey not just to understand, but to wield the power within us, to bring forth everything we desire in 2024. Close your eyes and join me in a realm where dreams come to life and aspirations take form. Picture an imaginary place, a sanctuary where the air is thick with possibility. Now, in this realm, let your mind paint a vivid canvas of prosperity. Imagine a landscape where everywhere you look, all you see is money, currency flowing like a river, filling your surroundings with abundance. Feel the crisp banknotes in your hands and sense the weight of prosperity in your palms. This is not a mere fantasy, it's a mental rehearsal, a secret dance with the universe. Visualize the happiness that comes from the money, the joy of providing for your loved ones, the freedom to pursue your passions, and the satisfaction of living a life unburdened by financial worries. In this ethereal landscape, let us introduce the first mantra of our manifestation journey. I am a magnet for wealth and success. Repeat this mantra twice, allowing the resonance of these words to permeate your being. Feel the magnetic pull drawing abundance towards you like a moth to a flame. Repeat these words with me. I am a magnet for wealth and success. As we tread deeper into the recesses of our minds, we encounter the shadows of doubt and fear. The second mantra emerges as a beacon of light in this darkness. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace my true prosperity. Repeat it twice, shedding the shackles that bind you to scarcity. Repeat with me. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace my true prosperity. The journey continues, and now we stand at the crossroads of choices. Picture a fork in the road, each path leading to a different facet of success. Envision the path of your dreams, paved with opportunities and adorned with the fruits of your labor. This is the path of your unique success, and the third mantra resonates within. I choose the path of abundance and success that aligns with my highest self. Repeat it twice, affirming your commitment to the journey. Repeat with me. I choose the path of abundance and success that aligns with my highest self. As we delve further into the labyrinth of manifestation, recognize the power within you to shape your reality. The fourth mantra beckons like a guiding star. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose to focus on the positive. Repeat it twice, weaving positivity into the fabric of your existence. Repeat with me. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose to focus on the positive. In the depths of this journey, we encounter the final mantra, echoing with the essence of the law of attraction. I am a powerful creator, and I attract what I desire with ease. Repeat it twice, feeling the surge of creative power within you. Repeat with me. I am a powerful creator, and I attract what I desire with ease. In this shared manifestation journey, we have unveiled the keys to unlocking the universe's abundance. As you open your eyes, carry these mantras with you like a hidden talisman, shaping your reality with every thought and intention. Together, we embrace the profound truth that the power to manifest everything we want in 2024 lies within our grasp. Now, my fellow travelers on this cosmic voyage, let us delve into the heart of self-control and fortitude. The path to manifesting our desires is not without challenges, for the universe often tests our resolve. In the realm of emotions, destructive forces may try to sway us off course. Yet we stand resilient, armed with the mantras that echo through the corridors of our minds. In moments of doubt, let the fifth mantra be your anchor. I am the master of my emotions, and I choose peace over anxiety. Repeat it twice, allowing the tranquility of these words to wash away the turbulent waves of uncertainty. Report with me. I am the master of my emotions, and I choose peace over anxiety. As we navigate the intricate maze of our thoughts, we encounter the shadows of past failures and disappointments. Fear not, for the sixth mantra is a shield against the arrows of despair. I release the past and embrace the limitless potential of the present moment. Repeat it twice, casting off the heavy cloak of yesterday's burdens. Report with me. I release the past and embrace the limitless potential of the present moment. The journey into self-control is not complete without addressing the external influences that may try to sway us off course. Picture a shield of golden light surrounding you, deflecting negativity and doubt. Let the seventh mantra fortify this shield. I am impervious to external negativity, and I remain steadfast on my path to success. Repeat it twice, feeling the impenetrable strength of your resolve. Report with me. I am impervious to external negativity, and I remain steadfast on my path to success. As we stand at the precipice of our desires, a sense of gratitude envelops us. The eighth mantra is a key that unlocks the floodgates of abundance. I am grateful for the blessings in my life, and I attract more blessings every day. Repeat it twice, cultivating an attitude of gratitude that magnetizes prosperity. Report with me. I am grateful for the blessings in my life, and I attract more blessings every day. In the grand tapestry of the law of attraction, our journey is a collaborative dance with the universe. We are not solitary wanderers, but co-creators of our destinies. Let the ninth mantra be a testament to this cosmic partnership. I am in harmony with the universe, and together we manifest miracles. Repeat it twice, feeling the resonance of unity. Report with me. I am in harmony with the universe, and together we manifest miracles. As we conclude this profound journey, envision a radiant light at the horizon, a symbol of the manifestations that await you in 2024. The 10th and final mantra encapsulates the essence of this transformative experience. I am a beacon of light, attracting all that is aligned with my highest good. Repeat it twice, embracing the radiant energy that emanates from within. Report with me. I am a beacon of light, attracting all that is aligned with my highest good. In this shared odyssey, we have harnessed the power of the law of attraction, uncovering the secrets to manifesting everything we want in 2024. Carry these mantras with you, my fellow co-creators, and let them guide you through the labyrinth of existence. May the universe conspire in your favor, and may your journey be adorned with the treasures of your desires. Together we embark on a year of boundless manifestation and unwavering self-control. As we stand on the threshold of a new chapter, let us reflect on the profound journey we've undertaken together. The mantras we've embraced are not just words. They are the keys to unlocking the doors of our deepest desires. Now, as we move forward, let these mantras be the compass guiding us through the uncharted waters of the year ahead. In the sanctuary of our minds, let us plant the seeds of intention for each facet of our lives. Picture the garden of your aspirations, where the soil is fertile with positivity and the air is filled with the sweet fragrance of possibilities. As you envision your ideal garden, let the 11th mantra take root. I am the gardener of my destiny, and with each thought, I nurture the seeds of my dreams. Repeat it twice, feeling the power of intention in your hands. report with me. I am the gardener of my destiny, and with each thought, I nurture the seeds of my dreams. In the pursuit of our goals, challenges may arise, testing the strength of our resolutions. Fear not, for the 12th mantra is a shield that transforms challenges into stepping stones. I am resilient, and every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. Repeat it twice, embracing the unwavering strength that resides within you. Report with me, I am resilient, and every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. As we gaze upon the horizon of abundance, envision a river flowing with the currency of success. Picture yourself standing at the banks of this river, ready to dive into the depths of prosperity. The 13th mantra echoes like the gentle current beneath your feet. I am in the flow of abundance, and success comes to me effortlessly. Repeat it twice, feeling the currents of prosperity carrying you towards your goals. Report with me. I am in the flow of abundance, and success comes to me effortlessly. In the tapestry of manifestation, community and connection are threads that weave us together. Envision a circle of like-minded individuals, each contributing to the collective energy of success. The 14th mantra resonates within this circle. We are a community of manifestors, supporting each other on our journeys to greatness. Repeat it twice, feeling the synergy of shared intentions. Report with me. We are a community of manifestors, supporting each other on our journeys to greatness. Now that you've glimpsed the secrets behind this extraordinary affirmation, remember to carry its wisdom into your daily life. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, wisdom, and transformative experiences. Like this video if the resonance of abundance has touched your soul. Together, let's continue weaving the tapestry of dreams and manifestation. Until next time, may your journey be filled with prosperity, joy, and the sweet melody of success. Subscribe, like, and let the magic unfold.